Hello guys, we are deciding we're gonna make a new video and we're gonna make it right now. Okay, let's show you the ingredients. Come on. The power turned off because we have too much power and it's just so bad. So we're just gonna fix the connection thing, the diggy, and we'll be back in. Bye bye. It should turn on any second. So when I click, it might be on. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! That's a good idea. So now we are going to use our bowl. Is this a metal bowl? I thought it was a plastic. No, today we're making chocolate crackles. Okay, now we're gonna make. Now you gotta have your crispy rice pops, and then put 4 teaspoon cups or
4 cups.
4 cups of
Rice pops.
ASMR. Finals cups. Second ingredient, we need coconut. Now we need 1 cup. Okay, now we need cocoa baking powder. 3 tablespoons. Hello guys, now we are gonna add in 3 tablespoons. Okay, now we need to stir. Oh, it came out of nowhere. Okay, let's go. Mixing. Coconut. Now we need 1 cup of icing mixture. Do I pour it in there? Oh, there it is. I just traded a villager for this, so it better be worth it. Done. Now we stir. Me cook yum chocolate crackles. So, okay, now you need parents' help to melt cocoa. Alright? And okay, let me try to break it in half. It's so good! It's so cold! And it's so hard! I can't move, it's like an ice cube. Remember, get parent help. We need to melt this on the stove. I don't know something, but we couldn't cut it because it was so hard, and you've already seen me do that. But now we're gonna melt it. Now we're gonna pour our hot and stinky cocoa. It's gonna burn it. Ow! Ooh. Whoa! Now it looks like a beautiful.
We're gonna mix it.
Now mix.
Until it's all combined.
Until it's all combined. Now that it's all combined, now we can add it to our filling cups. Is that how you say it?
Patty pans.
Patty pans, I meant. Whoa! It's growing smaller. And we need 2 more screws. Just 2. Oh, yeah. I'm just going to do one tiny more bit like that. Cheers. Tasty. Now we can put these ones in the fridge. Okay, what time is it? On my Rolex, apparently it's 2:29. And now we're gonna put them in the fridge. And then when they're cold, we can eat them. Bye bye. I'll see you in like 15 minutes or 50. Bye. Now that they're cold, now we can eat with me. Bye bye. Thanks for cooking with me. Taste test time. Takes a long time, maybe. Really good. Bye. See you in the new house.